Welcome to Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about searching for substring in a string. And over here, I have variable string tags and set to this value. And if I want to find the number of occurrence of a substring, I can use its function count. For example, if I want to count how many times off is appears in this string, then I'm going to use tags dot count, and inside count I need to pass in the substring that will be off, and I'm going to print the count. Let's save it and run, and you can see on console it printed 1. I will add one more now to string. For example, if I add one more off and just save and run it again, and you can see it printed 2 now because there are 2 off substrings in this string. I'm just gonna remove this one. I can also get the index of a string by using a text over strings method index and then pass the substring to that index method. So I'm just gonna do print then text dot index and the index of a substring that I want to look up. I will use example now. Example, I will comment this line and just save and run, and you can see it printed the index of that substring in our string. We can also check that if a substring exists in our string, we can do that by using in. For example, over here I want to see if example in, I don't need if, example, just example in text, and save the result, or you can just go ahead and print example in text. Over here I'm just gonna save into a variable first, so it's gonna be result, and then set to the output of this condition that we are checking example in text, that if example substring exists in a text string, then we get the result back and we are going to print that result. This is much clearer. I'm just gonna save it and run. Let's run it, and you can see it printed true for this one. So this way we can check if the substring exists in a string. So this way you can perform searches of a substring in a string in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.